In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and utilize ChatGPT effectively to analyze sales data. Whether you're a seasoned analyst or a complete beginner, this tool can help you make sense of the numbers quickly. First, start by navigating to chat.openai.com. Here, you'll need to log into your account. This step is crucial because having an account allows you to interact with ChatGPT seamlessly and access its powerful features. Once you're logged in, the next step is to prepare your data for analysis. Your data can come in various forms, such as plain text, tables, or bullet points, all of which you can copy directly into the chat interface. For instance, suppose you have monthly sales data that looks something like this. January marked 120 sales, February saw an increase to 150 sales, March dipped to 90 sales, but sales rebounded in April with 200 sales. Preparing your data correctly ensures that ChatGPT can offer you the most accurate and insightful analysis. Now, it's time to enter your analysis prompt. In the chat box, type, "Analyze the sales data and summarize key insights. Suggest possible reasons for trends and how to improve results." This prompt is purposefully designed to elicit a comprehensive response, drawing attention to current trends while offering suggestions for future improvements. After entering your prompt, it's time to review ChatGPT's summary. You can expect a response that highlights insights, such as a sharp rise in sales during February, possibly due to a Valentine's Day promotion, a noticeable dip in March, which might be attributed to low marketing efforts, and a significant surge in April sales, which could be linked to a new product launch. This automated summary provides a strong foundation for understanding your data at a glance. If you're looking for a more nuanced analysis, you can ask for deeper insights. For example, you might type, "Compare February and April's performance and recommend specific marketing strategies." This invites ChatGPT to not only draw distinctions between different periods, but also to suggest actionable strategies tailored to replicating successes or addressing shortcomings. Once you've gathered insights, you might need to convert this information into formats suitable for presentations or reports. To do this, ask ChatGPT to turn this data into a table and a bullet point summary. By transforming your analysis into a visual report, you ensure your insights are accessible and easily digestible for any audience. Finally, should you need to prepare for a meeting, you can request a succinct summary using a prompt like, "Create a short executive summary of this data for a sales meeting." This will provide you with a polished and concise overview that's perfect for delivering in a corporate setting. And there you have it, a streamlined process for using ChatGPT to transform raw sales data into strategic insights. Thank you for tuning in today as we explored the powerful capabilities of ChatGPT in data analysis. Happy analyzing!